welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. This time we've got little ducklings going wild about lettuce. How am I supposed to get any work done today? I don't think I am. I hope you're not going to poo on that computer. What do you do when it's raining outside and you've got wet ducklings? Of course, you have them on your bed. What else? So this little lot have been outside for a bit, but it's really raining, so they love to play on my bed. Hey duckies. So, silly creatures. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So yes, I've got lettuce and poo and all sorts in my bed. But of course, how can you resist such cute little monsters? Oh dear, oh dear. Nibble, 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 nibble. No, you don't nibble that. No. But here, where else do you put soggy ducklings? Yep, on your bed. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about animals, and of course, stay wild about soggy ducklings. So until next time, please like, subscribe and leave us a comment because we'd love to hear from you. So that's all for now. Bye. And we got a computer loving duckling, don't we? Yes we do.